We have already covered the first part of this chapter. Now we are going to continue with the second part of this chapter. So what would have happened? The Minu's family, they would just clean the wound by water and just they apply medicine over there, over where the heavily bleeding is there. Okay, the next story is of Chandu. Chandu is having a donkey. He is having a pet, and Chandu, he does the cleaning of the. We have to just find out what he does from the pictures. Look at the pictures and write the things what Chandu does for his donkey. Donkey works a lot for Chandu, and Chandu also takes care of that donkey very well. Okay, in first image the Chandu is getting bathed by the donkey is getting bathed by Chandu. In the second image the donkey is getting grazed. Grazed is eating grass. Donkey is getting grazed by Chandu. The next, the donkey is drinking water. So the water is provided by Chandu. And Chandu is celebrating any of his festivals. Like he is just making up his donkey so that he also can enjoy his celebration or birthday. That might be the thing in the fourth picture. Do you or any of your neighbors have a pet? Which one? Yes, my aunt is having pet. She is having dog. What name have you given to your pet? Her name is Shiny. What do you do when your pet is I have never experienced having pet, but my aunt, what she does, I will give answer for that. Hungry, whenever her pet is hungry, she just provides good food, like her favorite food, Shiny's favorite food. Her favorite food is she likes meat and egg. Egg she likes. Feeling hot or cold? My aunt covers Shiny with blanket, and whenever she is feeling hot, she just give her ceiling fan. She just turn on her ceiling fan. Teased by someone, my aunt pats her dog, so she hardly get teased by, like she hardly gets angry whenever someone teases her. But whenever someone teases her, my aunt just make her calm by patting on her back. And hurt, whenever she gets hurt, my aunt apply medicine on her wound. We keep some pets animals at home. We look after them too. In the table below are the names of some such animals. Complete the table. Name of animal, dog. Why do you keep them? Let's answer. Some people love to be around with dogs, so that is the purpose why they keep dogs at their home. And the another thing is they think because they need protection for their farms, protection for their homes. So to protect their areas, they keep dogs. So there are two purposes. So there are such purposes to keep dogs. Cow gives milk. Ox pulls the cart. Plowing is done in the farm, so the cart is used. So we use oxes in the farms. Hen is there because hen provides egg. Fish is there because some people love to have water tank or fish tank at their homes. They love it, so they keep fish tank there. Honeybee is there because out of her, like, we take honey, what she has made. One activity for you students is, you just fill water with in an earthen pot, and just hang that earthen pot with rope to any branch of tree. You can hang that earthen pot to any branch. So you can hang that earthen pot with rope outside your door also, so that birds can come there and birds can drink the water. So you have to do one thing. Every day you have to fill that earthen pot with water. That earthen pot should be having a wide mouth, so that bird can insert his beak inside and he can drink the water out of that. And you have to observe which birds come there to drink water. Okay, next, as animals live on water and food like humans, so there are some things which both animals and humans need. Okay, just list out them. The first would be food, the second would be water, and the third would be shelter. So these three things are there which animals also need and humans also need. Have you seen any animal feeding by someone, or have you fed any animals? Yes. So complete the table below. Name of the animal: a dog. What did you feed? I just fed potato chips. Cat, roti and milk. The third is cow. Someone fed. So I saw someone was feeding grass. We have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward. Written on that paper. They can only act like through their facial expression, through their hand movements, leg movements, or body movements, but they cannot spell any word